Digestive health specialists estimate that a staggering 70% of individuals over 50 carry up to 2 kilos, approximately 4.4 lbs, of accumulated intestinal waste. That's right, 2 kilos of potentially toxic matter that could be silently harming your health at this very moment. These are residues that can cling to the walls of your intestines for years, sometimes even decades, releasing toxins directly into your bloodstream. The good news? A simple homemade combination can help eliminate these wastes in just 5 nights. Get ready to be surprised by what you might see in your stool after this natural treatment I'm going to share with you today. Hello. Today, I'm sharing an ancient recipe that has helped thousands naturally resolve intestinal problems. No chemicals, expensive medications, or doctor visits required. Just simple ingredients you likely already have at home. First, let's understand what happens inside our bodies as we age. The human intestine, about 23 feet long and full of curves and folds, can trap undigested food particles over time. These particles can form a kind of crust along the intestinal walls. This crust isn't just unpleasant to imagine, it's dangerous. It significantly reduces your intestine's ability to absorb vital nutrients, and worse, starts releasing toxins that are reabsorbed by your body, slowly poisoning you from within. As time passes, especially after the age of 50, the problem can worsen. Our digestive system naturally slows down, we produce fewer digestive enzymes, and our intestinal motility, the movements that push food through, becomes weaker. That's why so many people in this age group suffer from chronic constipation, gas, bloating, and a constant feeling of heaviness in the abdomen. Did you know the gut is often called the second brain? It contains over 100 million nerve cells, more than your entire spinal cord, forming a network that communicates directly with your brain. This creates a strong gut-mind link. So when your gut isn't working well, your whole body feels it. Issues like anxiety, sleep disturbances, constant fatigue, and even deep sadness can be directly related to gut health. Recent studies show that up to 95% of serotonin, the feel-good substance, is produced in the gut. When your gut is burdened with toxic waste, serotonin production can be compromised, affecting your mood and overall quality of life. Perhaps you've tried various solutions, laxatives promising fast results but leading to dependency, expensive supplements offering temporary relief without addressing the root cause, or restrictive diets that are hard to maintain long-term. The truth is, the pharmaceutical industry profits significantly from our digestive issues, with little incentive to promote simple, natural, low-cost home remedies. After all, who would profit from that? The mixture I'm about to share combines warm water with lemon and either olive oil or chia seeds. It may sound too simple to be effective, but when used correctly, it has a powerful cleansing effect. Let's break down each ingredient. Warm water. The temperature is key. Warm, not boiling water helps relax intestinal muscles, improving movement through the digestive tract. It also helps dissolve fats and waste stuck to intestinal walls. Drinking warm water before bed allows your body to focus on internal repair and detox while you sleep, without the distraction of digesting new food. Proper hydration also softens hardened stool that may have been lodged in your colon for days, weeks, or even months. Lemon. Lemon is a true champion of natural detox. Its high citric acid content stimulates bile production in the liver, a fluid essential for breaking down fats and toxins. More bile means better digestion and more efficient waste elimination. Lemon is also mildly diuretic, helping your kidneys filter toxins from your blood more efficiently, creating a full-body detox system. Your intestines flush out old waste, while your kidneys process the released toxins. Furthermore, lemon helps balance your internal pH. Despite its acidic taste, it promotes a less acidic environment inside your body, making it harder for harmful bacteria and parasites to thrive. Its vitamin C content also boosts your immune system, equipping your body to handle pathogens released during detox. Extra virgin olive oil. Used for millennia as a natural remedy, olive oil acts as a lubricant for your digestive tract, making it easier for stool to pass. But it does more than that. Olive oil contains polyphenols and antioxidants that fight inflammation in the colon, reducing bloating and irritation associated with chronic digestive problems. It also stimulates the gallbladder to release bile, which helps dissolve sticky waste on your intestinal walls, like a natural detergent for your gut. Another little-known benefit is olive oil's ability to absorb toxins. When taken before bed, it can literally collect toxins from your digestive tract and carry them out the next morning. Chia seeds, alternative to olive oil. If you prefer, chia seeds are a powerful alternative. When they encounter liquid, they form a thick gel that increases stool volume and acts like a natural broom, sweeping debris from the intestinal walls. This expansion also puts gentle pressure on intestinal walls, stimulating natural contractions that help eliminate stagnant material. Chia seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, about 10 grams per tablespoon. These fibers feed your good gut bacteria, strengthen your microbiome, improve immunity, and contain healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and soothe an irritated gut. How to prepare the recipe. The recipe is straightforward, but the preparation and consumption method are key to its effectiveness. Use a glass cup, never plastic, as lemon can react with it. Add about 250 ml 1 cup of warm filtered water. The ideal temperature is comfortably warm, not cold or boiling. Squeeze half a fresh lemon directly into the water. Always use fresh lemon, not bottled juice, which may contain preservatives or added sugars. Now choose one of the two options. Add 1 tablespoon of high-quality, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, or add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. If using chia, stir well and let it sit for 5 minutes for the seeds to form their gel. Mix everything thoroughly and drink it right before bed, ideally at least 3 hours after your last meal. Do not eat or drink anything else afterward to allow the mixture to work uninterrupted overnight. Repeat this process for 5 consecutive nights for the best results. What to expect? Everyone's body responds differently, but here's what many people report. Day 1. You might not notice much, though some experience stronger bowel movements the next morning or increased flatulence, a sign that detox is beginning. Day 2. You'll likely notice changes in stool color and consistency, e.g., a darker or greener indicating old bile being flushed. Some see small, dark fragments in their stool, which is old waste detaching from the intestinal walls. Day 3. This is often when more dramatic results appear. You may eliminate rubbery or mucus-like material. Don't be alarmed. These are long-trapped residues finally leaving your system. You might also feel less bloated and lighter overall. Day 4. Many people report more frequent and larger bowel movements. The eliminated material may contain small, hardened pellets or stringy filaments that resemble old waste matter. This is actually a positive sign. It means the body is finally starting to release substances that may have been stuck in your colon for years. After this 5-night cleanse, maintaining the results is essential. You can do this by drinking warm water with lemon each morning on an empty stomach and incorporating a fiber-rich diet with natural ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Also, avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, which contribute to the buildup of toxic waste in the intestines. This treatment isn't a miracle cure, but a natural way to support your body's innate ability to heal and detoxify itself. When we provide it with the right tools, hydration, fiber, healthy fats, and rest, it responds with better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved emotional well-being. Remember, your gut health is deeply connected to your overall health. Don't underestimate the power of simple, natural habits. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might be struggling with digestive issues. Sometimes the answers we seek aren't in expensive medications or complicated diets, but in returning to nature, tradition, and wisdom passed down through generations. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this information from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content.